Good morning to all. I am P. Mohansuram. I am from first BCom CA section. My subject Business Law and Ethics. My topic Relation of Principal Agent Relationship. Introduction by Jane Thompson, reviewed by Michael A. Seidel, BSc, LLB, MBA, updated May 08 2019. As a small business owner, it's likely that you routinely employ other people to perform tasks and make decisions on your behalf. Delegating responsibility can take a lot of weight off your shoulders and bring in expertise that you may not have yourself. For the relationship to work, however, you must ensure that the agent will make optimal decision on behalf of the business. Something that sounds simple but can be incredibly challenging. The principal agent relationship is an arrangement in which one entity legally appoints another to act on its behalf. Contrast: agent works for the benefit of the principal and under its control. Agent has rights to represent the principal and make contracts with third parties on behalf of principal. Huge responsibility and duty. More on this later. Employee: one who works for and receives payment from an employer whose working conditions and methods are controlled by the employer and for whose acts and omissions occurring in the scope of employment the employer is liable. Independent contractor: one who does work for and receives payment from an employer but whose working conditions and methods are not controlled by the employer and for whose acts and omissions the employer is not liable. For example, a CPA is paid by a client whom the CPA audits. By CPA is free to review the records in any fashion they wish. Also, the CPA would be liable to third parties relying on a CPA work but paid by the audited client. Fiduciary duty: a duty arising from the trust and confidence placed in a fiduciary by those on whose behalf for whose benefit he or she acts. A natural person, corporation, partnership, or other recognized entity. Conclusion: this chapter examines whether the principal agent model will mature by accommodating the new empirical reality or whether it will become outdated as a practical challenges. Narrow the researcher's focus to the simplest of hierarchical relations. The required methodology: each section questions the opportunities that are to be gleaned from applying the principal agent model to an ever more complex setting and comforts it with practical challenges that may emerge in the research process. Thank you.